In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of Python dictionaries. If you haven't used Python dictionaries before, this should be the first video that you're watching. We'll start our Python terminal. To create a dictionary, we use curly braces. In this case, D is an empty dictionary. We see that its type is dict, which stands for dictionary. Now let's work with a more interesting example. Let's say that we want to store some data about a student. We could create a student dictionary. Say we wanted their year in school. To create that key, year, we would just use the straight brackets and say student year equals 2 for being in their second year. Now we see that the dictionary has a key year with value 2. To access the value of a given key, we just use the same syntax as above without the assignment. We see that student year is 2. We could insert another key, say their major. We'll make them a math major. And we look at our dictionary, and we see that it now has 2 keys, major and year. And again, we can access what the major is with that syntax. Now, if you already know some information about the dictionary, a more easy way to create it on the fly would just be, let's create a second student. We say they're in year 3 and their major is history. So instead of starting with an empty dictionary and inserting twice, in this case we just create the dictionary with 2 keys and values in one line. Oh, and history isn't a string, so we'll add that in there. And we can see that now we have a new dictionary. To delete an element from a dictionary, we use the del keyword. So we could say del student year, and this will delete the year key and its associated value from the dictionary. So we look at student, and now it only has the major key.